Alright everybody, we got a Traxxas Wrestler out here. My son's playing with his little RC again. My daughter's got hers, and I've got the drone. So I missed the takeoff, but that's cool. Alright, third gear, there we go. Now I can actually come at myself against the wind. For some reason there's always wind, so there we go. Flying into the sun, sorry about that guys. All turned around right now. That is third speed though.
I broke you.
A lot of wind up there. Thought I was trying to break her thing. Drones are cool. I dig drones. Hard to fly. Getting my steering action on. I know it's probably not overly exciting to watch, but this thing is definitely cool, and there is enough wind out here to really like give this thing some trouble. I can definitely see the appeal to drones, and I will be getting another one for sure. This is super cool. Alright, so now I'm forward and back. So now I'm going to go up. Way up. Come on down. Hope you guys can see that. It's pretty far up there. This is just cool, guys. Like, I do have to say, drones are pretty sweet. Once you learn how to control them, especially when you're new like me, have a wide open space with as few people as possible. But definitely a couple of people out here today. Hover around the ground. Ooh, almost landed it myself. Just hover above the ground. Touch it. I'm gonna get up a little bit and then land it. See if I can actually land it. Alright, stop. So hopefully I didn't break anything. Doesn't look like I did. As you can see, hopefully now you can see it. The lights are blinking. That means the battery is getting really low. So I'm gonna put a new battery in this and take it back up. So round 2, and hopefully I get the takeoff this time. Yeah. I shifted into 3rd gear again. And there it goes. Much faster. That is super cool. Whoa, that was a big gust of wind right there. Alright. Put this forward. There's forward. Alright. Try not to hit my beautiful wife in the head. Dude, this is so cool. This is like super fun. This is, I'm just gonna say it, it's as fun to me right now as driving like a pretty powerful monster truck. And this is definitely cool. Trying to figure out which, keep pressing on the 3rd speed button. There we go. That's 2, that's 3, yeah. So it's got 3 speeds. 3 speeds, Max. Driving around. This thing is perfect for a beginner. It seems to be tough. It comes with extra parts. And I spent like $10 on batteries. Go check out the Traxxas Rustler. That is so cool. There you go, way up. Let's go way up. Way up. Yeah. Alright, that's high enough. You probably can't see it. It descends super slow. Even in 3rd gear, it descends super slow. And it's windy enough to where you're really like I'm trying to keep it stationary right now, and you can see it just drifting. Obviously the wind's not that bad right there, but yeah, we've definitely got a wind up there. We'll fly around now. This is so cool, dude. I dig it. Try not to run into the tree. There we go. Alright, see if we can land it. The train and everything. I think the spinning, I love the spinning. Oh, we're like a parachuter with a half-opened parachute. Okay. Try and stay out of sun. Sorry guys, that sun is brutal, I know. So that's forward, okay. So we want to go forward towards me. Yeah. Whoa. It's like a really big mosquito. Alright. Come back forward. Not hit the wife in the head. Alright, we're gonna land it again and try and shut it off, get a decent landing. Oh, look at that. I did it. I did it. I even got a little audience over there. Well, that is the Magic Speed. This thing is awesome. Definitely awesome for beginners. I'm a beginner. This is my 2nd time flying. 2nd time. I love this little thing. Like I said, there's going to be more drones on the channel. I'll probably get another cheap one just to kind of compare it to this one, about the same price, 50 bucks. But I definitely suggest getting yourself a couple extra batteries. The stock battery I got with this one never works in it for some reason. So I don't know if it doesn't hold a charge or whatever, but it definitely doesn't like the stock battery. But yeah. Thumb up, thumb down, like, subscribe if you're new here. Check out the description. There's a bunch of cool stuff down there. And as always, we'll see you on the next video. All right, everybody. Peace.